The reveal. Okay guys, so dito na yung box. Yung lunch box. Anyway, open natin siya sa likod. And then, we're good to go. Okay guys, so dito na tayo ngayon sa opening ng ating box. And dito na yung hinihintay ko kanina para mag-video ng second camera. So ito pala, I forgot to mention, yung may konti siyang dent dito banda. I don't know kung saan to galing or kung sa Korean na to. Pero bahala na. Sige. Okay, kagaya ng sinend natin sinend ni seller sa akin, nakaganito talaga siya ng box and looks ano naman talaga kasi may tape and may pirma. So if it's broken or kung binuksan to, mabubura talaga to. And that's a good sign na hindi nila to binuksan. Kasi napakalaking amount nito. So, nakahubad na. Tanggalin muna natin kung ano nasa baba. By the way, akala doon ng courier ice cream. Kaya hindi niya masyadong kinabahan siya kasi alam niya na doon. So ito na. The reveal. So ito we have a bag. First of all. Okay, what's inside the lunchbox? We have this cover, a lens cover yata to. Pagkakaalam ko. Lens cover, we have the charger. And which is the Nikon model talaga. And now let's open the bag. Ay, strap. Ngayon, sa bag naman tayo. Baka bato naman ito ha. Ooh, looks promising. Bas. Okay. So, may bag, libreng bag tayo. And oh my goodness. So, this is the camera. So, kung titingnan natin yung features ng D50-200, flip screen siya, which is rotate. Pwede siya ma-rotate 360 degrees. Close muna natin yan. And let's check kung may battery. Dito ba yung banda? Or dito? Dito pala yung card. So, may libre tayong 8 gigs. May libre tayong 8 gigs of memory card. And wow, seller. Galing mo. I love you. And we have, ano ba ito? Paano ba tayo open? Ganyan daw. So, we have a battery. Good. So, hindi nga lang to yung original one na yung matagal malobat. This is 1030 mAh. Pero yung original nito is naka 1200 mAh yata yun. So, this is the camera and that's pretty much it. Ay, yun na. So, nag-on siya guys. It turns on. Ito yung ano niya. And if we would check the camera. Tingnan muna natin. So this is the camera, guys. So medyo siya nawala sa focus. Ayun. Ooh. So yun. There we have it. So, gagawa tayo ng picture sample, video samples, and everything. And then, so yun. Kakat muna natin ang video dito and then punta tayo sa labas kasi kukuha tayo ng mga samples. Okay? Hey guys, ito yung quality sa camera. Ayos ba? Gwapo ba ako dyan? So, pwede natin i-zoom. Okay, this is the audio. I mean the image quality when in low light. So, see my background. Yeah. Sorry. So, try natin i-zoom. And let's see. Oh, galing. Nice. This is my eye. Okay guys, that's it for the video sample, for the audio samples, and the images samples. Like bali yung first one was morning yun, that was afternoon around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then yung isa naman is evening, that was 6 o'clock in the evening yata. So yun yung mga samples natin, and that's all. I mean, that all came from this camera, which is the Nikon D50-200. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo, and sorry if there are some images na hindi ko masyadong na-focus, especially sa night. Hindi ko kasi masyadong hindi ko pa talaga master yung camera. So yeah, it's my first time buying this camera and using the camera. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and then leave a comment kung nagustuhan mo yung video, and if nagustuhan mo naman, gusto mo kung gumawa pa ng isang video, gagawin natin yan about sa Nikon D50-200. And if gusto nyo naman na magpatuloy natin sa game, we'll give it a like. So yeah, gagamitin natin to for the game. Next week siguro magsimula ulit tayo for mag-record and then mag-upload para sa games. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and then see you sa next video. Stay safe. God bless, and okay, alright tayo dyan.